Rainbow Roots Meadow, growing little minds, one moment at a time. Hello, little explorers. Welcome to our house tour. Today we're learning about furniture and things we find inside our home. Every room has special furniture that helps us live comfortably. Are you ready? Welcome to the living room. Look at the big sofa where we sit and relax. The sofa is soft and cozy for the whole family. Pretend to sit down and say sofa. Next to the sofa is a table. We put things on tables like books, drinks, and toys. Pretend to place something on a table and say table. Look at the chair. Chairs are for sitting, and we have them all around the house. Sit down motion and say chair. Chair. Now let's go to the kitchen. Here's the big refrigerator. It keeps our food cold and fresh. Open a pretend door and say refrigerator. Here's the stove where we cook yummy meals. Stoves get hot, so only grown-ups use them. Pretend to stir a pot and say stove. Look at the sink. We wash dishes in our hands in the sink. Make washing motions and say sink. Sink. Time for the bedroom. Here's the comfy bed where we sleep every night. Lay your head on your hands and say bed. Open the closet. This is where we keep our clothes and shoes. Pretend to open doors and say closet. Check out the lamp. Lamps give us light when it's dark. Turn on a pretend switch and say lamp. Let's visit the bathroom. Here's the toilet. We use it every day. Point and say toilet. Here's the bathtub where we take baths and get clean. Make splashing motions and say bathtub. Look at the mirror. Mirrors show our reflection so we can see ourselves. Wave at yourself and say mirror. Now let's play a room matching game. I'll say the furniture and you tell me which room it's in. Where do we find the bed? Kitchen or bedroom? Bedroom. Where do we find the stove? Bedroom or kitchen? Kitchen. Where do we find the bathtub? Living room or bathroom? Bathroom. Where do we find the sofa? Kitchen or living room? Living room. Great job! Every piece of furniture has an important job to help us live comfortably. Take care of your furniture and keep your house clean and organized. Great job, little explorers! Like this video if you enjoyed our house tour, and subscribe for more learning adventures. See you next time.